Today I have Guerlain Parure Gold 24 karat primer that I'm going to be giving my thoughts on, as well as opening this up so you can see for yourself what Guerlain Parure Gold 24 karat primer has to offer. One of the things that I notice about this Parure Gold 24 karat is it seems to be gold specks or flakes with inside of the primer bottle. I don't know how that helps with the product, but it looks pretty cool with the gold specks inside. And turn on the back, it says, let me see if I can read the Spanish. It's a Radiance Booster Perfection Primer. Let's see. To translate this, it says, hold on, let me pull this out. So it's getting closer. So it says right here, I'm going to translate this for you. It's in Spanish, but I'm going to translate it for you. It says Radiance Booster Perfection Primer. Let me see. 24-hour hydration. And it says right here that it is infused with, hold on, that means infused with 24 karat gold. Okay, so to put it all together, it says Radiance Booster Perfection Primer. "24-hour hydration infused with 24 karat gold." So that's the translation I got for you. So it's a Radiance Booster Perfection Primer with 24-hour hydration infused with 24 karat gold. So that's what it is. It comes in a nice glass bottle with gold specks inside, and there's a dispensing stick, which I will go ahead and show you. So I'm going to open it up, and actually, it's not a dispensing stick. It's actually a pump. So I'm going to pump this. And if you're not familiar with what a primer is, it is something you put on before you put on foundation, I believe. And after foundation is the rest of the makeup stuff. So this goes in. It's supposed to prime the skin before putting foundation. Place that there. And one thing that I know about this is that it is very light, and you can actually see some of the gold specks. That's not me shining like my natural shine. It's actually the gold specks in there that are standing out, and you can see it. So the primer is going on very thin. It's absorbing. My skin is absorbing it. Goes on well right there. And it overall just looks really nice right here. So, goes on well. The gold specks, kind of gimmicky, but everyone likes gold, so it looks pretty nice. It smells fresh. Almost a light perfume smelling type of freshness, but it smells fresh. But that is the Guerlain Parure Gold 24 karat primer. Goes on fairly easy, stays on, dries pretty well. Perfect primer for adding foundation afterwards. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.